Welcome to Thar's Garage. In this video, I'll be working on the Serpent SRX8 GTe long wheelbase bag 7, the central assembly. So let's get started. So step 24.1, we're going to need our central gear. We're going to need this particular piece and this piece here. And it just looks like we install the long section into this piece like so. There's a side that's flat and there's a side that has like a lip. Install it on the lip side. And then this piece, there's a flat side as well, and there's a side that has this lip, so we install it on the lip side. Okay. Next, we need the motor mount and 3 M4x10 flathead screws. And we're going to need our chassis itself. So we're going to install this like so, and it's going to install in these 3 holes. So, and even though it doesn't say so in the manual, we're going to add some blue Loctite to these screws since this mount is aluminum. So we're going to install in these 3 holes, and it's going to install like so. All right, for the next step, we're going to need 2 M4x10 screws, flathead screws. We're going to add some blue Loctite onto that. And we're going to install this assembly here along with our axles. So the long axle goes in the rear. Make sure your O-rings are sitting the way you want them to in your out drives. And the short axle goes in the front, just like so. And the way this is going to install in the front is the rounded portion is going to go into the slot, and the flat with the milled piece is going to be facing the top. And then we're going to install the 2 M4x10 screws from the bottom. So hold everything together here so that it doesn't fall off. And we're going to install the 2 M4x10 screws in these 2 holes. Everything moves nice and smooth. So next we're going to install looks like the carbon fiber chassis brace along with the 2 aluminum mounts that it attaches to. First, what we can do is install the rear mount, this piece here, with 2 M3x10 flathead screws. So the 2 screws are going to install in these 2 holes here and here. And since this mount is aluminum, we're going to use blue Loctite on the screws. Now this front brace Looks like I can install in either direction. So it has these cutouts here on the bottom, and either cutout can go on to this boss here for this piece. So we're gonna go ahead and line that up. And so now we're gonna install the carbon fiber brace, and this brace is gonna install like so, with the open side facing the front of the vehicle. And we're gonna use 2 M3x6 screws in the rear and 2 M3x12 screws in the front. And since they're all going into aluminum, we're gonna add some blue Loctite to the screws. All right, so that concludes bag 7. Pretty short and sweet. Nothing to report in terms of any issues. Everything went together nice and smooth. Pieces are nice, high quality. I'm impressed at all these aluminum bits. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. Stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be bag 8, the steering assembly. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.